And today's find is this beautiful 2004 Dodge Ram 2500 quad cab long bed SLT 4-wheel drive with a 5.9 Cummins high output. 4-wheel drive, clean title, CARFAX certified. Purchased new and owned and driven all its life in sunny California. This truck is 100% rust and corrosion free. The undercarriage of this truck is just as clean, as shiny as the exterior of the truck. Clean title, CARFAX certified. There's no signs, no records of any accidents or damages ever at all. This is a SLT with the sport package, so paint match bumper and grille. This truck is loaded with all the goodies, 6-passenger seating, all power options, extendable towing mirrors, factory running boards, rear slider, 6-passenger seating, dual power front seats. One of my best things I like, manual 4-wheel drive actuator, infinity sound system, all power options, etc. The interior of this truck is literally in new condition. It shows no wear or tear whatsoever. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's no worn spots at all, there's no beat up cushings whatsoever. Headliner is in excellent condition, shows no sagging, no stains, no holes, no scuffs at all. Same goes for all the plastics and the dash, etc. Everything works and looks the way it came out of the assembly line from Dodge. The owner was very particular. He's got WeatherTech mats all the way around. The carpet below is literally like brand new. WeatherTech mats in the front and the rear. See the door panels, super nice and clean, well cared for. It's got the boot rack below with the storage underneath. And that goes on both sides. I don't think it's ever been used. You got rear slider. The truck does have a spray and bed liner with an Anderson 20K fifth wheel. The bed is in extremely clean condition. There's no major dents. I mean, there's a one little dent right here that I see. The rest of the bed is in excellent condition. Spray and bed liner protected it. Take a look at how clean the jambs are. It's insane the difference between a California and Oregon truck and the rest of the country, where it's nice and sunny here, perfect temperatures, especially Oregon. Too much rain, so it keeps the undercarriage super clean. Let's go show you the inside on this side, and then we'll go on the undercarriage, etc. Now this truck, a little over 5,000 miles ago, I think 5,200 miles ago, the owner just did a full upgrade rebuild on the transmission. It was well over $7,000. There was no corners cut. All heavy duty billet internals, billet torque converter, towing kit. I'll grab the receipt and go through it with you. I do have all the paperwork. It was just done at like 139,000 miles. Look at that. He just went thoroughly through this truck in the last 2 years and kind of completely just went through everything to make it 100% extra reliable. All new heavy duty steering components in the front. As well, all the hoses under the hood are new. Let me open the hood here. New heavy duty aluminum radiator. New brakes, new heavy-duty Ram steering box, and a ton of other stuff. He also upgraded the exhaust and put heavy-duty muffler with a full exhaust. new batteries a month ago, a couple months ago. He also added a Banks tuner with the eye gauge. As we know, Banks is carb legal and very safe and made for this truck. This is a high output motor. All the fluids have been gone through, fresh brake fluid, flush as well. There's your heavy duty aluminum radiator. As you see, all the hoses, all the clamps are new. Now, as for the transmission, and I got the invoice here, let me open it up. So it was $7,000, and this kind of gives you an idea. Heavy duty overhaul kit, 6 clutch directs with CNC pressure plate, 4 clutch forward high energy, heavy duty low reverse band, 2nd gear band, 10 clutch OD overdrive direct, etc. There's all that. You can pause the screen and read it. I don't want to make the video too long. As well as here's all your billet cover and piston low stall, billet flex plate, the tow series transmission parts, and etc. Blah blah blah. So completely upgraded. That's $7,000 that you don't have to spend on it, and makes it as reliable as possible. We just did also completed the service, new serpentine belt, new air filter, the power seat, vertical motors, both sides, they are new, we replaced them, as well as the batteries, new wipers, a few other things as well. Let's get this thing started here. The miles read 145,362. There's your Banks tuner with the eye gauge, with the flush pillar. Love that. Now let's check out the windows here. There's a driver's side window, rolls up at ease, rolls down at ease. We'll switch to the passenger side. Here it is, rolling up, rolling down. This truck does have factory tinted windows. So from the factory, there's your rear slider. Let's zoom back out. Driver's side rear window. Up and down. Now let's check out the mirrors. There's left, right, up, and down. Let's zoom in on the passenger side. There's right, left, up, and down. So we got that. Let's check out the seats. There's front motor going up, front motor going down. There's the rear motor going up. There's a rear motor going down. There's the whole seat forward, backward, whole seat up, whole seat down. There's the horn. There's the wipers. Let's do the wipers, and then here's second speed, and here's on the super fast. So we got that done. Let us go check out the other seat. There's the front going up, front down, rear up, rear down. Here's the whole seat forward and backward, whole seat up, whole seat down. Take a look at these plastics here at the dash. Just extremely clean. We'll get in and we'll check out the stereo and etc. I've got a little bit off my rhythm today. Any flaws whatsoever. 2 new Les Schwab batteries, Les Schwab fresh alignment, tires. There's your Banks carb numbers. No oil leaks out of the truck at all. Let's check out there's 0 blow by on this motor. Doesn't get any healthier than that. So there goes that new hood shocks as well. Stretch. Let's go here and show you. Here's the front steering components. All the bushings, rack links, sway bar links, etc. Steering box again, red head. And let's take a look at this undercarriage. No, this frame has not been coated at all. Doesn't get any cleaner. There's no roll coat here or any of that stuff. This is look at the original sticker. That gives you an idea of the undercarriage on the truck. Open range, SQM 3s, all-terrain. They literally have less than 7,000 miles on them. Like brand new. Let's turn the lights. The truck has rear newer Firestone airbags. And there's the valves for the bags. So you know, right on the back, real easy access. Let's go in here. I do have all the original books and manuals for the truck, by the way, and 2 sets of keys. There's some receipts and service work. There's an extra set of key for it, and all the original manuals and books. Just turn the lights on, we'll go check out the lights. Let's check out the stereo. Original 6-disc in-dash changer. Open the cup holder. All the arms are intact. Lower that down. AC is blowing cold. Let me get that tested out for you. There's the trailer brakes. You see the light right there. Yep. So I can turn this AC off. So it's getting cold. No, it's like in the 20s. Let me just get my pointer in. This thing's blowing super cold. Way less than that. But you get the idea. My hands are freezing. I want to turn that off. Here's a 1-finger test for the steering wheel. And man, I gotta say, this is probably one of the best 3 big trucks, big Rams I've driven, of how nice and straight it drove. No play, none of that normal play in the steering wheel. No, this thing is super tight. You got the banks with a few different modes here. Level 2, there's stock. Level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 6 different levels. One of them is your stock. We checked the wipers. There's over your console. Let's check out the interior lights. There's the dome lights, all working. There's your 4-wheel drive. We talked about everything on the inside. I think we got it all covered. I'm gonna go ahead and let's check out the lights on the outside. That's what it was. So here's your front headlights. Here's your fog lights. I forgot to mention also, we did have fresh AC charge. We do that on all of our trucks. You got the factory 17-inch alloys. There's your tail lights, your license plate, bulbs. So everything has been checked out, etc. This is your perfect all-man's truck that have not been abused, haven't been altered, haven't been lifted. Very well taken care of. Freeway miles. He had a home in Idaho and lived in California and just did a few trips a year, back and forth. He is retired, always California truck, never been in mud or snow at all. Don't get much better than that. Completely gone through truck, but the big part is brand new heavy duty transmission with all the billet upgrades to make sure that you are completely doing a great investment. I can qualify this Ram for basically new truck financing. What that means, I can finance this truck up to 84 months if needed. Doesn't mean you have to go 84 months. You can go 72, 60 months, but I can qualify it up to 84 months, financing about 7.5%, obviously on approved credit. I can also help you ship this Ram right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in Alaska, Hawaii, New York, Pennsylvania, Delaware, New Mexico, even Canada. I've been shipping a lot of stuff to Canada as well. So let me assist you with this transaction. It'd be very nice and easy and smooth. We can help you ship it right from my door, right to your front door. We do everything remotely. We take care of your licensing, registration, just as if you were buying it from your local dealer in your hometown. Except with me, it's easier. You're doing it while you're sitting at home. Again, we are Jordan Motorsports. I have well over 95 detailed photos on our website. Please check the website, jordanmotorsports.com. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you have a computer. When you take a look at this truck and all my trucks and the available inventory on the website, there's a full detailed description of everything we know. Everything has been done on whatever truck you are looking at on the website. So don't be shy. Go to the website, read it, take a look at it, zoom in on the pictures, stare at them so you see exactly what you got. There is nobody in the country that does such a detailed listing like we do. Why? Because we deal with the best of the best, and we got nothing to hide. Talk to you soon.